Namaste everyone. Let us continue the chapter areas related to circles. Exercise 12.3 question number 5. So in this video you are going to learn from question number 5 to question number 8. So from each corner of a square of side 4 cm, a quadrant of a circle of radius 1 cm is cut and also a circle of diameter 2 cm is cut as shown in the figure. Find the area of the remaining portion. Now try to understand the question with the help of the diagram. Here you can see ABCD is a square. The edge of the square is 4 cm given. In this square, 4 corners, you can see these quadrants are removed. That is 1 cm radii quadrants. Why it is called quadrant? Because in a square, each angle is 90 degree. Therefore, all these 4 are quadrants with radius 1 cm. And this circle is also removed, which the diameter is 2 cm. And if the diameter is 2 cm, radius will become, yes, it is 1 cm. Now, he is asking find the shaded portion. So just look at the diagram and tell what to remove from the square. So to get the shaded part, I have to take area of square minus 4 quarters, that is quadrants, minus 1 circle. In other words, area of square and these 4 quadrants together becomes what? 1 circle. And this quadrant radius is also 1 cm and this circle radius is also 1 cm. Means totally 1, 2, 3, 4 quadrants together 1 circle and this is another circle. So simply, in other words, to get the shaded part, we have to find first area of square minus 2 times the area of circle. Now let us start. The data given side of a square is 4 cm, radius of the quadrant is 1 cm and diameter of the inner circle is 2, so radius becomes 1. So in other words, the quadrant radius and the circle radius both are same. So we have now 2 circles. So area of remaining portion equals to area of square minus 4 times the area of quadrants, these 4 quadrants, minus area of 1 circle. So as the 4 quadrants becomes 1 circle and this is one more circle, because both the radius are 1 cm same, the radius of both are same, therefore we can write it as 2 into area of circle. So area of square minus 2 times area of circle. What is area of square? Side into side minus 2 times pi r square. So side is 4 into 4 minus 2 into 22 by 7 and radius is 1 into 1. So this becomes 16 minus 44 by 7. Take LCM, we get 68 by 7 centimeter square. So the area of this shaded portion is nothing but 68 divided by 7 centimeter square. Now let us continue the next question. So before I go for 7th question, so note this very important. This year, this question is deleted from your syllabus because as I said before, when the angle, that is angle of a sector is 120 degree, that type of questions are deleted. Already I shown in the previous exercise 2 questions where the angle of sector was 120 degree. Those 2 questions were deleted. And along with this 6th question is also deleted. Once let me explain why it is deleted. So in a circular table given radius 32 cm, design is formed leaving an equilateral triangle ABC in the middle as shown. Find the area of the design. You can see here, to find this design, I have to take area of circle minus area of triangle. So to find area of triangle, I have to divide this triangle into 3 equal parts, so that I can find the radius. Radius is given, I can find the side of this equilateral triangle with the help of trigonometric ratios. So you know that in 8th standard you learned angle of rotation for an equilateral triangle is 60 degree here, 120 degree you will get here. So that's why, because when you join this, when you divide this into 3 parts, you get 3 sectors here, and angle of this sector is 120 degree. Therefore, this question is deleted. Now let us move for the 7th question. You can see here given in figure ABCD, that is a square of side 14 centimeter with centers ABCD. 4 circles are drawn as center ABCD such that each circle touch externally 2 of the remaining 3 circles. Means what? So you can see this one circle is touching 2 circles out of 3 circles. Any circle you take, that circle touches only 2 circles of the remaining 3 circles. So find the area of shaded region. Means I have to find this blue part. So how to find? For that, area of square minus, I have to subtract these 4 quadrants. You can see these quadrants. Why it is quadrant? Because you know that each angle in a square is 90 degree. Therefore, they become quadrants. The 4 quadrants becomes what? One circle. Now let us start. So what is given here? Write the given part. Given, you know that side A is 14 centimeter. That is side of the square. And the radius of a circle is 7 centimeter. So I should find the area of shaded part. To find the area of shaded part, let us find area of square minus 4 quadrants. Area of 4 quadrants. As I discussed before, you know that together 4 quadrants together becomes one circle. So area of shaded part equals to area of square minus 4 into area of quadrant, or area of square minus area of one circle. So you know that area of square is side into side minus area of circle is pi r square. So substitute the values. Side is 14. 14 into 14 minus 22 by 7, and radius given 7 into 7. So multiply this, you get 196 minus 154. So that is 42 centimeter square. So in this way you can find the area of shaded part, that is by subtracting 4 quadrants from the given square. And make a note of that sometimes this question diagram may not be given in the exam. So try to understand the question so that you can draw the diagram on your own. Now let us start 8th question. So given diagram, you can observe this is the diagram. Given figure depicts a racing track whose left and right ends are semicircles. The distance between the 2 inner parallel lines segments is 60 meter. Means what? So you can see these two are the line segments, inner parallel line segments. So given the distance between inner parallel line segments is 60 meter. And also given, and they are each 106 meter long. Means what? This line segment's length is 106 meter long. If the track is 10 meter wide, nothing but this path width is 10 meter wide given, and he is asking 2 questions. The first question is find the distance around the track along its inner edge, and the second question is the area of the track. Now let us try to understand how to find the first question, that is the distance around the track along its inner edge. What is exactly the meaning of this? So this is inner edge, this is the outer edge. He is asking distance, nothing but length. So it is nothing but it is a perimeter, not area. So for inner edge, what is covered here? You can see from here to here one line segment length, that is 106 meter. And from here to here it is also a length of 106 meter. And both the ends you have here semicircles. And when you merge these two semicircles, you get one circle. So in other words, the distance around the track along its inner edge is nothing but length of 2 line segments plus perimeter of, that is circle, one circle or circumference of a circle. Now let us start. What he has given the diameter. So you can see the distance between 2 inner edges is 60 meter, nothing but if I draw this, if I join this becomes what? Diameter. So diameter is 60 meter. Then what will be the radius? Yes, radius is 60 by 2, that is 30 meter. And we also want the length of this line segment, that is given 106 meter. Now let us start. The distance around the track along its inner edge is 2 times the length of the line segments, because you can see here you have 2 line segments. So 2 times the length of line segments plus circumference of 2 semicircles. As you know that 2 semicircles together is 1 circle. So 2L plus circumference of circle is 2 pi r. So substitute the values. 2 into 106 plus 2 into 22 by 7 into 30. So multiply 106 into 2, you get 212 plus 1320 by 7. After taking LCM, we get 1484 plus 1320 divided by 7 equals to 2804 by 7 meter. So this is the distance. What they asked here, the distance around the track along its inner edge. So that is 2804 by 7 meter. Now let us start the second sub question. What he asked here, find the area of the track. Area of the track is nothing but this full path. We have to find the path. Area we have to find. So first observe keenly and tell what shapes are included, means what 2D shapes are included in this path. If you observe, we can see from here, from this edge to this edge, you can observe this is a rectangle, and similarly this is another rectangle. You can see I have drawn here 2 rectangles. So in this path you have 2 rectangles, and this semicircular path and this side semicircular path, when you merge together, you can see that these 2 portions, end portions, I have removed and drawn here. When you merge, that part look like this, nothing but it is a circular path. So I learned in 8th standard that how to find the circular path. Area of outer circle minus area of inner circle. When you remove area of outer circle minus inner circle, you get a circular path. So to complete the second question, I need to add area of 2 rectangles plus area of this circular path. It is also called as rim. You have already learned in 8th standard. Now let us start. But to find area of outer circle and area of inner circle, we need 2 radii here. Already we have one radius, that is inner radius we have 30 meter, that is 60 by 2, we got 30. Now we need outer circle radius. To find outer circle radius for 30, that is for inner circle radius is 30 plus width is 10. When you add that 30 plus 10, that is 40 will become radius of the outer circle. So you can see here radius of inner circle, that is 30 meter, take it as small r, and the radius of outer circle is 30 plus 10, 40 meter. So what is now, we have to find area of track. So area of track is 2 into area of rectangle, that is we have here 2 rectangles in that path. So 2 times area of rectangle plus area of one rim. Already shown that the rim is nothing but a circular path. So what is area of rectangle? L into B. 2 into L into B plus, how to find area of rim? Area of outer circle, that is bigger circle, minus area of smaller circle. So 2 into length is 106 and breadth. What is breadth here? You can observe the width becomes the breadth, and this, the length of the segment, all the segments are 106 meter, that becomes the length, and width of the path becomes the breadth. So breadth is 10 plus, take pi common here, 22 by 7, and capital R is 40, 40 square minus 30 square. So multiply this, we get 2120 plus 22 by 7, and here you can use an algebraic identity, a square minus b square equals to a plus b into a minus b. That is, we get 40 plus 30 into 40 minus 30. So 22 by 7 into 70 into 10. Cancel, we get 7 tens are and after multiplication we get 2200. Add these two terms, we get 4320 meter square. So this is the area of the path what he asked, that is area of the track, that is the overall path of this track is nothing but 4320 meter square.